Hi guys, Retro Django here. In today's video, we're gonna take this old beige cabinet and build everything inside this brand new modern PC case. It's all about Windows 98 build with a little modernized touch. These drives, they don't read that good anymore, so I'm gonna install something a bit more modern. We're not gonna use no floppy drives. We're not gonna use an old ready to die hard disk. So it's gonna be an old Windows 98 system with a touch of 2024 magic. Well, this is how the new case looks unboxed here. Beautiful, beautiful. Before we do this, a sleeper PC is a very popular term. People, they buy these old cases as a sleeper pin and just build them with the newest RTX 5090 or whatever they put in with gazillion gigahertz and gazillion megabytes of RAM. These old cases, 14 kilos, I mean, they're so hard to move. Look at the new stuff, look at this. I mean, it's just laughable. And the old stuff is just rock solid, man. I don't want to hit this that hard because... So let's take a look at the heart of this computer. The motherboard we're going to use today is called Gigabyte GA6IE... What was this? 6IEML revision 1.1. We have got 3 PCI, 1 AGP, Intel Pentium 3 slot, as you can see there, 2 SD RAM, and 2 optical and 1 floppy. At the backside, you can see we have got PS2, we have got net, we have got USB, and we have got onboard video card, onboard audio card. Everything looks amazing. The first thing you need to check are the caps. Are they bulky, or do they have some green yellow stuff all over the place? This board is just before the year 2000 Pentium 4 boards where all the caps were just so bad. So I think that these caps will work. The PSU with the CPU we're gonna use is my favorite CPU. It's the Intel Pentium 3 Tualatin 1133 megahertz with 512 kilobytes of level 2 cache and boss speed at 133 megahertz. It's all beautiful stuff. I love this CPU. That was, I mean, this CPU is strong enough to run a Windows XP system also. I mean, such a great CPU, doesn't get that hot, and it runs rock solid. All right, so we have got the Antec plus 80 PSU installed. 380 watts maximum velocity. We have the beautiful Tualatin processor installed. We have got a IDE to CF card reader with a 8 GB compact flash card installed. We have got my old, I bought this brand new as a little kit. We're gonna take a look at it in a minute, guys. We have a brand new battery installed, and we have got a Sound Blaster Live audio card. So we're gonna disable the onboard audio and video. Most of the cables are at back cable management. The only cable we're gonna use is this one with old optical drive and power for the down there for the compact flash card. Other than that, we have got all these power on and reset and power on LED and hard disk activity. We have got reset, we have got these LEDs. I'm not going to install the USB. We actually have a USB plug there, but I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to use the audio at front. And here we're going to install a beautiful CD-ROM drive, right? And we've got the power button on top. It's coming along, guys. Oh, that's beautiful. So computer is running, everything is not up. I didn't install the CD-ROM drive yet. Let's check out the graphic card. Let's check out this beauty, okay? The loudest part is actually the CPU fan. Don't do this at home, but as you can hear, that's really loud. This one is nothing, and from the graphic processor, no, nothing. I installed very cheap speakers back there. This is just a test. So this is a video part one. I just want to show you how cool my new Windows 98 build is. If we take a closer look here, the graphic card is a card I bought back then, an A-Open. Look at this beauty, GeForce4 Ti 4200 AGP8, 128 megabytes of RAM. That graphic card was just absolutely amazing, guys. It was amazing. So I installed Quake 2. There we go. Let's check a look at Quake 2. Okay. So the thing is, today people, they jump out on eBay and buy those very expensive 3D FX graphic cards to get the glide right. And I have got my old GeForce here, and the GeForce4 card is just, it's so cheap. If we go into options here and go into video, it's at software rendering. If I go to the side, I can choose 3D FX OpenGL, but if I just take default GL and get the screen size at top and press enter, look at what's gonna happen now. Yes! Look at this beauty! You can get this with a GeForce 4 that costs literally peanuts. It costs peanuts. This 128 megabyte card is so cheap. You can have 5 of these for the price of one 3D FX graphic card. I mean, it's so waste, and it's only ran. I mean, my Voodoo 3, I think it is. Voodoo 3, it's the model 1000 AGP, and I think it runs at 16-bit only. This one, I mean, it's just so much waste of money. Go ahead and buy a GeForce 4 Ti 4200 with 128 RAM. It's just absolutely amazing. What a nice system. I'm already in love with it. And this case weighs like 1 pound or something. I mean, just look at how fluid everything runs with my 12-tin processor and this Ti graphics card. On video part number 2, I'm gonna tell you why I disabled the onboard audio card. I think it's something, you know, AC97. Why I installed the Sound Blaster Live. It's actually not because of Windows 98 games. It's for something else. But yeah, you have to check out video part number 2 to see why I did that installation. Until next time, have a great one, everybody. And I'll see you on the next retro Windows 98 build video. Yes, the audio is off because I don't want YouTube to remove this video. You know how it is. Look at those barrels explosions. It's just amazing. I need to figure out how I can do this full screen. 800 by 600, is that the highest? I remember when I walked into those PC stores and they had like 14, 15, 17 and 19-inch monitors, and they all just ran this demo, and it was unreal. Oh man, those days. Look at this again. You don't need a 3D FX Voodoo 3 card. Just buy a dirt cheap GeForce NVIDIA 4200 and it's just perfect for Windows 98 gaming. And I mean perfect.